How to download messages on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download messages on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and then click settings and go down until you find this one, download your information. Click on it and here all you need to do is just click deselect all, this one, and then select messages and go down, click create file, and now just wait and it will be downloaded. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.